Hello guys and welcome back. So now in this video we will add the crosshair to our player rifle. So for that, if we come right here, let's create a UI canvas. Let's name the first one as Third Person Shooter canvas. Let's create another UI canvas and let's name this as aim canvas. Let's move these both. Actually, let's move this one right there and this will stay there. Now let's select the third person canvas, coincide sprites, crosshairs, and we have different types of crosshairs right here. You can add whatever you want, but I will use these two crosshairs. So let's click on the third person canvas. Let's add a UI image inside it. Select that image and let's drag and drop this in there. And if you check the game view, as you can see here is the crosshairs. Let's click on this set native size and you can see changes. Let's change the crosshair to, let's just keep it as white. Now let's select this aim canvas. Let's add an image to it, and right here we will drag and drop this one. Okay, let's click on this set native size, and now as you can see we have the aim canvas applied. Let's play the game, and as you can see here is our canvas and our aim and third person canvas. Now if we try to shoot the cabin, as you can see it is shooting the cabin. Let's hit the door. Actually my mouse is not locking to the screen, but we will do that, don't worry about that. Let's hit this door. As you can see it is hitting the door. Let's hit that door. As you can see, and let's hit this tree. Okay, I think there is no collide on the tree, maybe whatever. And now as you can see we are hitting that building. Now this fence is, now the stairs. Now in the next video what we will do, when we are in the third person cinema machine, then we will show this third person canvas, and when we are aiming we will show this aim canvas, and also we will switch between these cameras like this. When we are aiming we will show the aim cinema machine, and when we are not aiming we will show the full, which is the third person cinema machine. Okay, so with this added, catch you guys in the next one.